Hey, what's going on? You know, I should note that I'm recording this video after the craziness at OpenAI over like the last week in November of 2023. If you watch this in the future, so Lord knows where we are, but at this point we're kind of at a place where it seems like we're back where we started functionally. Anyway, I'm gonna just show you something that I've recently started doing that I think is useful for many teachers, or might be useful for many teachers. So, yeah, I have a series of course videos for AP Biology. That is not a secret. And we do a lot of work in class about how to get information from the videos, etc. And that's all fine and good. But
Hi, welcome to our video on meiosis.
let me stop me for a second. One thing that I always wanted was like to have a series of questions that students could answer after watching the video, or even months after watching the video to review for things. And I just didn't want to go through the videos and do it. That just seems like a really boring thing to do. But so what you can do, right, is you can use something like GPT, and of course this is GPT-4, right? But I'm just going to kind of explain what I'm doing here. So I prompted the GPT, right? I'm going to upload transcripts from my AP Biology course videos, and I want you to write a series of prompts that the users can use while they're watching or afterwards to review the content. And the prompt should require a mixture of response formats and so on and so forth, right? And so it says, yeah. And so then all you need to do is go to your video that you want, and this would be any video that has a transcript, not just mine, but if you expand the info field, you've got the space to say show transcript, and you can see it up here. And I think initially when it comes in, it's got timestamps, and that's helpful if you want to move to particular things in the video. But it's not helpful for my purpose here, right? So I just want to take all of that text, the auto transcript of my own video, though, again, you can do it for any video that has a transcript, I think. And you can just paste it in, and let's go down to where it's working. Take me down there. Let's see what happens. Look at that. So there we have a series of responsive prompts, right? Now I prompted it. I wanted it to be active. I wanted there to be, a bunch of different things, written responses, graphic organizers, illustrations, that kind of stuff. And so I can then just take those and I can put them where I want them to go. I'm going to put them on a document. I'll look at them. I'll edit them. I'm sure I will make probably pretty significant changes in some cases, but this is just such an easy thing to do. And I thought it might be useful for any teacher who uses videos. So if you can get a transcript for a video, right, you can do this. And there's probably a large portion of people out there going, yeah, obviously I knew this already. And if so, good for you. I'm happy for you. But I figured I would put it up just to show other folks what this looks like. Thanks.